Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Emmanuel O. Alejandro. Ito pong aking daily devotion para sa ngayong February 17. And para po sa ngayong araw, ating aalamin kung bakit maraming tao ang nagmumukhang pera. And this relates to the topic of communicable attributes, in which we will be reading the 1 Timothy chapter 6 verse 10 na nagsasabing, "For the love of money is a root of all kinds of evil. Some people, eager for money, have wandered from the faith and pierced themselves with many griefs." Sa Tagalog, sapagkat ang pag-ibig sa salapi ay ugat ng lahat ng kasamaan. Dahil sa paghangad na yumaman, may mga taong nalalayo sa pananampalataya at nasasadlak sa maraming kapighatian. So, many people have this high disposition for monetary value sa mundo. That means na pinaprioritize nila na yumaman, na magkaroon ng maraming pera. But the thing is, that's not the way to live. The way to live is to pursue God, hindi pursue riches. Because God commands us to worship Him so that we may become like Him. And God is not greedy. In fact, it's the opposite. God has given His one and only Son for us to be saved. That's how selfless He is. That's how much He loves us. And God created us in His image, but He did not make us to become God. We don't need to be that level of caring, but we do have this responsibility of being Christ-like. And God shares His attributes with us, giving us greater responsibility than all other creatures. For we are special, a special creation of His, that has special abilities that only we possess. So pursue God, not money or anything else. Strive to be Christ-like in all we say and do, and live in readiness for the day of judgment. Because there will come a day where you will be judged as to how you have done, as to how much faith, or rather, faith cannot be measured. So, are you faithful to God? During that judgment day, will you be fairly judged? Will you be worshipped? Will you be deemed as someone that is eager to please God? Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat, and let us all give glory to God.